My name is Nico Albrecht. I am a business development manager at Alpha Laser. Alpha Laser is a machine manufacturer which specializes in laser buildup welding and laser material processing. We got to know the HOLOCIRCLE at an external trade fair. It made it clear to us relatively quickly that you can reach more customers at a great distance with the products you exhibit. Our end products for our users, for example, are relatively small. And in order to present them better, of course, we decided to use the HOLOCIRCLE. With the HOLOCIRCLE, we also wanted to set ourselves apart a little from our market competitors. There are quite a lot of customers at the fair. Of course, we also want to reach the customers in this case. With a 3D graphic presentation, you always have a visual attraction. We have noticed that. Compared to other fairs, the customers are quite fascinated. Something is moving. We come from the laser technology sector. The graphic representation is also partly chosen in this case, or at least chosen in a picture in this way. We can identify with that again. The HOLOCIRCLE really inspires a lot. It attracts young people, students, young production managers, and even the old established toolmakers. Everyone is running around there, trying to understand the technology. This puts us in a position to talk to interested parties, to focus them a bit on our products, and to keep them at our stand for a bit longer. We at Alpha Laser would definitely recommend the HOLOCIRCLE. The support was optimal. The process was quick and easy. He was at our stand within 3 weeks. Super fast, super uncomplicated. If you are interested, go to the EYE Systems site and get some advice. I highly recommend them.